Have you ever tried a real challah from Israel? Challah bread is a braid-shaped bread used on the holy Shabbat dinner by Jewish families. You can make it either sweet or slightly salty. On this episode, I'm gonna show you, step by step, how to make the salty version of the challah bread. To make a challah bread, make sure you have the following ingredients: 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 25 grams of sugar, 30 milliliters of sunflower or canola oil, 5 grams of instant dry yeast, half a tablespoon of salt, 300 milliliters of water. Step 1. Take 500 grams of flour and sift it, to prepare it for blending with the other ingredients. Step 2. Add to the bowl the dry ingredients and stir them. Step 3. Add the oil and mix again for about 1 minute. Step 4. Add 300 milliliters of water and stir it by the hand for about 15 minutes or in a mixer at medium speed for 7 minutes. Step 5. When our dough is ready, take a dry towel and cover the bowl. Let it rest for 60 to 90 minutes until it doubled its size. Step 6. To make 2 challahs, divide the dough into 4 even parts on a lightly floured surface. Then, take 2 of the pieces and roll them into equal ropes until they are long enough but not too thin. Start making a braid shape by crossing one rope on top of the other, one after another, until you get the braid shape. And now, to make the second challah, you can do the same with the other 2 parts. Step 7. Put the challahs on the oven tray with a baking paper and cover the dough again for 30 to 40 minutes until the volume has almost doubled its size. Step 8. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Step 9. Right before the 40 minutes are over, take an egg and crack it into a bowl. Then add a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar. Stir it and brush the blend on top of the braids. Then you can spread sesame or poppy seeds on top. Step 10. Once the oven reached the desired temperature, put the braids inside for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bread is nicely golden. Once the bread is ready, take it out of the oven and let it cool down for at least 1 hour before serving. Bon appétit!